Om. My name is Sharada. I've been living in Ubud, Bali for the last 10 years, studying the Vedic culture, the Vedic tradition, the teachings, the sacred disciplines like yoga and Vedanta, Sanskrit, Vedic chanting, and many other jewels that has blessed my life so profoundly. And I feel very grateful and blessed that I can come and share these jewels with you at the yoga festival this summer in Angsbacka. I will be sharing different workshops on the teachings, the sacred teachings of the Veda that help us, that make us see that we are whole and complete, just the way we are, that we are the source of love and happiness. I also have a deep devotion and love for the sacred feminine, and I will be sharing sacred feminine circles, be woman circles for Devis, for women, to find, to discover the value of being a woman, of having a sisterhood. Thank you so much, and see you very soon. Om.